Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our capstone design project is the Autonomous Staircase Vacuum Cleaner, A.S.V.C, by engineers, team leader Ahmed Almasri, Abrar Aldhafiri, Wedyan Alazmi, Sara Alazmi. Thanks and gratitudes for companies who sponsored the project. Our story begins in Kuwait University College of Engineering and Petroleum. As shown in the presentation, the engineers started to think about the problems that we can solve, how to help our society. There were many ideas, and after research and studying, many of the ideas weren't chosen for different reasons. Either the time frame wasn't enough, or some limitations, or it didn't solve a real issue. In the end, we thought, stairs. Every building has stairs, and it's important to be used and cleaned. The design began, and we implemented our imagination and started designing and 3D printing. In the end, we finished the design, as shown, and it took a lot of effort, time, but finally we succeeded, and we were happy and excited. Finally, we had success. Alhamdulillah. We acknowledge the doctors, engineers, and companies and government entities who helped us in completing our project. Thank you for watching our video and seeing our journey and success. Alhamdulillah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Special thanks, engineer and brother Nasr Al-Ajmi, engineer and brother Ahmed Dawood, friend and brother Mu'adh Al-Jiran.